Director, Nucot 𝗕𝗿𝗿 Technologies. Dedicated professional with a robust background in IT solutions management and a passion for fostering growth and development. Proven track record in spearheading successful ventures and initiatives within the education and medical sectors. Skilled in providing comprehensive job solutions and adept at facilitating skill development programs. Seeking to leverage expertise in collaboration with political leaders to drive impactful community development initiatives.
All the best, brother.